to day 12 of our adventure, and this is our place where we have slept tonight. It's first time in our life when we slept in chapel. The hostel located right inside chapel, and look at these windows. That's that's awesome. Everyone still sleep, so I try to be quiet. Let's go and have some breakfast.
This is kind of old school, but from every countries we will send postcards back home to our parents.
After we dropped this postcard, we saw it says Dublin only, and there is another one which is says all places except Dublin. But workers from here told that it's fine while we have post stamps, so hopefully they will arrive to our parents. Today we arrived at Howth Peninsula, which is located in less than 1 hour drive from Dublin. And we're gonna take small walk along the famous cliffs. The weather is pretty good, but it can change in 1 minute here because during the way the rain starts already 3 times and it was pretty huge rain.
To get here, you still can use this sleep visitor card. We got bus number H3 from Dublin city center.
We found way to the cliffs, but the descent is very steep.
And it's a bit rainy again. For a hike like this, you need some gloves, you need some scarf, and also a hat.
But we
Which-
don't have.
Don't have any.
And from here you can see Howth City over there, the marina and lighthouse. And I think we're gonna walk to lighthouse right now. It's pretty far, but we still have a lot of power. So it's probably gonna rain in few minutes again. Just look at these clouds, dark gray clouds. And we made all the way down from there to here, and that's Howth Marina. This kind of weather and this kind of landscape reminds me of Iceland. We've been there a couple times, but there was even way colder because we visited Iceland a couple years ago in March
I think it was April.
or April, and it was freezing. The wind was even stronger. Like when you get the rock, you throw it this direction, it literally returns to you.
Like a boomerang.
This kind of modern lighthouse or light pillar, and over there we can see older one. I think after such a cold and windy day, we definitely should go to some warmer country.
Maybe Morocco?
Yeah, why not? Let's go even tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning.
So guys, day 12 is over, and instead of staying in hostel tonight, we decided to sleep in airport. It will be just couple hours and then we have flight to Morocco. We do have these sleeping AirPods with us. They are ultra lightweight and very thin, but still pretty comfy, especially if you need to use them once in a while. So see you tomorrow in Africa.